Bananas are a popular and widely consumed fruit, and they offer several benefits for health and well-being. Here are some of the key benefits of bananas. Nutrient-rich. Bananas are packed with essential nutrients. They are a good source of vitamins such as vitamin C, vitamin B6, and folate. They also contain minerals like potassium, magnesium, and manganese. Additionally, bananas provide dietary fiber, which supports digestive health. Energy boost. Bananas are known for their high carbohydrate content, making them an excellent source of energy. The natural sugars in bananas, including glucose, fructose, and sucrose, provide a quick and sustained energy release, making them a great snack before or after physical activity. Potassium source. Bananas are particularly rich in potassium, an essential mineral that plays a vital role in maintaining proper heart and muscle function, nerve signaling, and maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Consuming bananas can help replenish potassium levels in the body. Digestive health. The fiber content in bananas supports healthy digestion. It aids in regulating bowel movements and can alleviate constipation. Bananas also contain natural compounds that help protect the stomach lining and promote the production of mucus, which acts as a natural barrier against stomach acids. Heart health. The potassium and fiber content in bananas contribute to heart health. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure levels, which in turn can reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. The fiber in bananas has also been associated with a decreased risk of coronary heart disease. Mood and brain function. Bananas contain tryptophan, an amino acid that the body converts into serotonin, often referred to as the feel-good hormone. Serotonin plays a role in regulating mood, sleep, and appetite. Consuming bananas may help improve mood and promote a sense of well-being. Antioxidant properties. Bananas contain antioxidants, including dopamine and vitamin C, which help reduce oxidative stress and fight against free radicals in the body. Antioxidants have been associated with various health benefits, including a reduced risk of chronic diseases. It's worth noting that the benefits mentioned above are based on general knowledge about bananas and their nutritional composition. Individual experiences may vary, and it's always recommended to consult with a healthcare professional or nutritionist for personalized advice and guidance related to your specific dietary needs.